So we'll be expressing this number towards base 10. So we have 110101 base what? 2 towards base 10. So what are we going to do? We write this value, this number 110101 base 2. So we start from this right hand side and put this zero, this floating number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 6, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to use this one to multiply all these numbers. So we are going to have 1 times 2 to the power of 6, right?
Yeah.
Plus 1 times 2 to the power of what? 5. Plus 0 times, get me to this. 0 times what? 2 to the power of what? 4. Right? Now plus 0 times 2 to the power of what? 4. Plus 1 times 2 to the power of what? 3. Plus 0 times 2, right? To the power of what? 2. Plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1. Plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. Are you there?
Yes.
So what else are we going to do? We express this. 2 to the power of 6 is what? 64, right? Times 1 will give us 64, right?
Yes.
Plus 2 to the power of 5 is what? 32. Times 1 will give us what? The same 32, right? So 2 to the power of 4 will give us what? 16. Times 0 will give us what? 0. Plus 2 to the power of 3 will give us what? 8. Times 1 will give us what? 8, right? Then plus 2 to the power of 2 will give us what?
4.
Times 0.
0.
0. So 2 to the power of 1 is what? 2. Times 1 is what?
2.
2 to the power of 0 is what?
1.
1 times 1.
1.
So we're having 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. So 64 plus 32 will give us 76, right?
Yeah.
76.
96.
96 plus 3, which is 99, right?
Yes.
90 what? 9. Base what?
Plus 8. 99 plus 8.
We've not had this one. Wait, this one is what?
96.
6, 7, 7, 8, 9. 96, right?
Yes.
96 plus 8 will give us what? 104, right?
Yes.
Plus 3, which is 107.
Yes.
Okay, you are telling me 99. I thought you added this one. 107, right?
Yes.
Yes, 10. So this is our answer.